Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Services.msc not opening or Services.msc not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. If you can't open the services window, try to see if perhaps the .msc file extension has lost its association with the Microsoft Management Console. Okay, now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. In search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on Run as administrator. Okay, now command prompt has been opened. Click type sfc space slash scan now. Now hit enter. Beginning system scan. The process will take some time. Verification started. Okay, scanning process has been finished 100%. Windows Rescue Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Now close command prompt. Now click on Start menu. Click on Power button. Click on Restart to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.